Zdravo, I am Peca Neškovski from Macedonia, the land of Alexander the Great, Mother Teresa, and the root of Christianity in Europe. Since this is my third time coming from a biblical country, Macedonia, to the United States of America, and inspired by the video contest organized by my sponsor, Spirit Cultural Exchange, I decide to share my working and traveling experiences with you.
What's next?
Left or left street.
Yeah, that's the Pepsi Center. Yeah, right on. Look at there, Brendan show. Hey Brendan, can you give some message to Macedonian people?
Macedonian people, appreciate the support. Stay tuned.
Thank you.
Not even over.
Hey Garun, where are we?
We are in the Pepsi Center.
And now, this fight is 3 rounds in the UFC heavyweight division.
Wow, go here. No, it's so...
Go!
Aj pozdrav taka malce do Aj na ovu Heraklea malce, Heraklea. Ovoga, ovo se ja.
Loud.
Low.
Ja sam magare, sa užite na gore, so pa šel na dolju.
Yes. Are you going home?
Да, и аз ќе одам дома утре.
А ти можеш да зборуваш македонски?
Можеш?
Да зборуваш македонски?
Јас зборувам малку
Do
македонски.
you know something about Macedonia? Maybe you have some favorite team?
Yes.
What's your favorite team?
Pelister from Bitola.
Oh, that's awesome. Maybe you know some song about Pelister?
Yes. Samo jedan tim, samo jedan grad, samo Pelister, samo Bitola.
What do you know about Macedonia?
Well, I know about Alexander the Great.
Oh, that's
He was
awesome.
great and everything. I know that. And there's a great singer named Toshe.
Toshe
Really love
Praski, yes.
And I've heard him sing a lot in the past 3 years. But there's one really great Macedonian. It's really, that I know personally, he's a great man because I've worked with him for 3 summers. He's a good, hard worker. And I've tried to teach him. He learned so fast, he surpassed me. His name is Peca.